Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Honda Passport key fob here. It works for these models 2019 and 2024 and you don't need any fancy tools. You only need this battery 2032 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Now the first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back and right here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side and when you do that this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And now when you remove this mechanical key, turn the fob like this to see the bottom and right here in this space between these two pieces over here, you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key right here like this, insert it and now twist it a little bit, you need to rotate it and push. This will crack open and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. And also make sure while you do that, this side here is with the buttons facing down. So make sure you do that because you can lose the buttons very easily. Alright, and when you do that, when you separate into two pieces, right after that, here you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, now just take these two pieces again and make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you do that, right after that, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning, and yeah, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.